Welcome to our lesson on the least common multiple, or LCM for short. The LCM of two numbers is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of both numbers. Let's start with a simple example, finding the LCM of 4 and 6. First, let's list out the multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Now let's list the multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. Looking at both lists, we can see that 12 is the first number that appears in both lists. Therefore, 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. Another way to find the LCM is using prime factorization. Let's try this with our next example, finding the LCM of 12 and 15. First, let's break down 12 into its prime factors. 12 equals 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 squared times 3. Now, 15 equals 3 times 5. To find the LCM, we take each prime factor to the highest power it appears in either number. We need 2 squared from 12, 3 from either number, since they both have it once, and 5 from 15. So, LCM of 12 and 15 equals 2 squared times 3 times 5, which equals 60. Let's look at a real-life application. Sarah goes to the gym every 4 days, while Tom goes every 6 days. If they both go to the gym today, after how many days will they meet again at the gym? Let's visualize this on a calendar. We'll mark Sarah's gym days with blue dots and Tom's gym days with red dots. The first day they meet again will be on day 12, which is the LCM of 4 and 6. So remember, the LCM is useful in many real-life situations, especially when dealing with recurring events. You can find it either by listing multiples or using prime factorization. Practice these methods, and you'll become an LCM expert.